Hey, Sandra here, and today I want to talk about the power lead system and how you can consistently earn an income. And the first thing you want to do is everybody is who is in the power lead system will see this page. And so if you're new, the first thing you're going to do is click the easy button, and you're going to get started in 3 simple steps. Okay, first watch this video, and then step 1 is to join our Facebook group. The second step is to choose which link below you want to advertise. Okay, so if you have another business that you wish to promote, you can type or paste your URL here. I have another business called SFI that I'm involved with, and I have included my link here. And then once you put your link there, you click update and test your link here by clicking on your link to see if it is working correctly, right? And so mine is working correctly, and it goes to my capture page. And then what you want to do after that is you're going to advertise your links. And how you're going to do that is that you're going to decide, now if you don't have another business that you are promoting, you can just promote the power lead system. You can promote the lead lightning, the free lead system, or just the power lead system in itself. Okay? Then you're going to go down here and click on this button to take a tour of the system. Okay, and to learn more about the system, and this button is going to show you how to market your link. Okay, and then we're going to go back over to getting started, and you're going to add your next you're going to want to add your domain. Okay, so if you don't have a domain, it's only $17.97 per year through the power lead system to get your own unique domain name for the year. And if you do have a domain name, like from GoDaddy or somewhere, we have instructions on how you can attach that to the system. Okay, and then the next step, you're going to want to add your picture. Okay, add your picture here. You're going to download your picture onto your computer and upload it here. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is companies you promote. If you're going to promote, so this is where you're going to promote your own business, or if you don't have an own business, you're going to promote the power lead system. If you're in another business like Amway or any of those businesses out there, a Bitcoin business, you're going to add your ClickBank, anything that you're in, you can add it here. You're just going to look here on this list and find it, and then you're going to add your link and click here to save. But if you're just going to use the power lead system, you're going to look for the power lead system, and you're going to click this one here. Okay, don't use these other ones, use this one here, the first one. Add your affiliate link and then click here to save. Okay, next, and this gives you the opportunity to promote any other business that you have in the power lead system, back office itself. If somebody else doesn't want if they don't want the power lead system, they may want your business, right? So you're also giving your business able to showcase your business as well. And how to get help. Okay, so if you need any help, we have our Facebook group, our private power lead system, power lead official Facebook group that you will that you have joined when you click the easy button, right? And you can ask questions to anybody in there. There's over 47,000 people in there, and they all are very friendly and eager to help anybody to ask a question. Or if you have a problem with the system itself, you can go to submit here your problem to the company. Now, all of these are going to be read when you join, and this is a new level here that they have just added. I haven't joined it, but the first level is the gold level. When you become an affiliate, you are a gold level, okay? And at this level, it's $53.97 a month, and you will receive unlimited $20 commissions. That's residual income, okay? And the diamond level, that is $147 one-time fee, and you will earn unlimited $100 commissions. At the platinum level, that is a one-time fee of $497, and you will earn $400 commissions. And at the Master Traffic Institute level, it's $1,000, and it's a one-time payment of $1497, and you will earn $1,000 commissions. The platinum level, I don't know if I said it's a one-time fee of $497. Now, it is better to turn all of these from red to green. That is the name of the game, because when people join you and the more you promote this, they are going to upgrade, and you don't want to lose those commissions. With the diamond level, for instance, it's a one-time fee of $147. You get 5 people that join and upgrade to the diamond level. You've made $500 right there, okay? So it's very important to upgrade as far as you can. This business, it does help to show people how to generate leads to any business. We have all of these. As you upgrade to each program, you're going to get these trainings that come with it, and these trainings show you how to build and get leads for your business or this business. When you join the gold level, you're going to get endless free leads, and this here is very good because it on its own shows you how to get free leads from Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and all of the social media sites, and it gives you a lot of information, and it comes free with the gold level. It's a $300 program, and it comes free. Here you should start with the roadmap to riches. You should be reading that first. This will give you more information on how to consistently make money in the Power Lead system, and it'll give you a roadmap on how long it will take you and the things you need to do, right? So what you're doing here is when you promote this, you're going to be using lead capture pages, and people are going to put their name or email into your lead capture pages. And I'll just show you a few of them that we have in the back office. This is one of them. And when they click this, they're going to put their name and email address there, and then they'll be sent to your Power Lead system information, and they'll be able to look over the information and sign up with you. Here's another one, Simple Freedom, build your internet business and create your own cash online, designed for beginners. Okay, and this one here, they just have to put in their email and click, and they'll be sent to your link, your back office. This one here is another lead capture page that you can use that we have there in the back office, and this is another one. So these capture pages are in the back office. You don't have to figure out how to build them. They're already there. There's training in the back office on how to build them. If you're a beginner, if you're advanced, then you can change these capture pages up. It doesn't have to look like, you can change these words. You can do something different here. If you want to add the name here instead of just the email, you can do that. You can change this button. There's a lot of things you can do with these capture pages. They don't have to stay the way they are. But if you're a beginner and you just want to get started and you don't want to do all of that right now, you can just plug into one of the capture pages in the back office and start promoting your business. And promoting consistently to get traffic is the key to make money with any business. You have to be promoting, getting more eyeballs on your business with free or paid methods. And in the back office here, in the training section, here in the training area, there is a list of some paid ways to promote your business as well. Here is some ways that shows you how to promote on social media. Okay, so the Master Traffic Institute is six-figure. Some of the top six-figure income earners in the Power Lead system that gives you training on how to build your business and promote it. Okay, and then here, this is more capture pages, capture lead pages that you can use and change it to your liking if you want, and sales pages in the back office there. Okay, this is just really a business in a box. Everything here is connected all together. And when you send people to your capture page, and they give you your email, now there is a automatic email that goes to them automatically in the back office. You can just plug into that email system, and the emails will go directly to your prospects. And if you want to, you can add your own emails to the back office, or change it up the way you like to. You don't have to use it exactly the way it is written. You can change it up a little bit if you want to, or you can just keep it the same. It is a good idea, though, to send at least one email introducing yourself, and asking if they need help or whatever. And then, that is it. Everything here is basically business in a box. This is your own business tool suite. Okay, it's a powerful income growing tool that you can use by itself or with any other business. So that is all for today. I will come back with another video. Remember, you must hustle, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.